When most people hear start a business, they picture risk, loans, warehouses, failed startups, late nights, and empty bank accounts. But what if I told you the lowest risk business you can run doesn't require any inventory, has almost zero overhead, and lets you start with just your brain, a laptop, and an email list? Let's break it down. This business blueprint won't make the news. It's not sexy like AI or crypto, but it works like clockwork. And if you're even halfway decent at thinking, writing, and offering solutions to problems, it can make you stupid profitable. No VC funding, no begging, no gatekeepers. Just you, your audience, and the flow of value between. Let's get into it. The core of the model. Own the list, own the leverage. The entire business runs on one thing, your email list. Not followers, not rented social media reach, your owned audience. Social media is like fishing in someone else's pond. They can kick you out whenever they want. Email, that's your pond. You own it. Once you build that list, your entire operation becomes high margin, high leverage, and low risk. You can promote affiliate offers, sell your own products, run a coaching business, launch paid newsletters, build a tribe, etc. Everything starts there. Step 1. Choose an evergreen niche you actually know. The easiest way to fail is to chase trends and stuff you don't care about. Don't pick AI in education if you don't know or care about AI or education. Instead, go evergreen. Wealth, health, relationships, mindset, style, productivity, etc. These will never go out of style. People will always want more money, better sex, healthier bodies, stronger minds, and elevated status. Now pick one of those that you actually live. Your lived knowledge equals your mode. If you've been broke and climbed out of it, talk about that. If you overcame social anxiety, build around that. If you transformed your body, that's the story. Your life is the content. Which brings us to step 2. Share stories, insights, and daily fire. You don't need to be a guru. You need to be real. Document what you've lived. Share the wins, the losses, and the shifts that got you results. The game is simple. Attract attention with value. Keep attention with story. Monetize attention with offers. Here's what works. Lessons you learned the hard way. Breakdowns of things that changed your life. New beliefs that leveled you up. Rants on what most people get wrong. Frameworks, mindset shifts, or playbooks. Your voice is the moat. Nobody can replicate it. This is how people bond with your brand. You're not just giving tips. You're helping them feel seen. You're describing their struggles better than they can. And that makes you magnetic. Step 3, learn basic copywriting, the ATM skill. You don't need to be a world-class wordsmith. Just learn how to write like a human and communicate value. Here's the copywriting crash course. Know your audience's problems. Present your solution in a story-driven, emotionally resonant way. Make an offer that sounds like a no-brainer. Back it with proof, emotion, urgency, and clarity. Send that offer out daily. If you can write tweets, emails, or short rants that people engage with, you're already 80% there. Don't overcomplicate this. The people who win are the ones who keep it simple, send daily, and stay real. Step 4, get leads. Pick 1 or 2 channels. You don't need to go viral to build a 6 or even 7-figure email empire. All you need is a trickle of quality leads every day. That's it. Ways to get leads. Post content on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, etc. Run simple lead gen ads with a low ticket entry level offer. Launch mini courses or free PDFs. DM people and direct them to your list. Offer something valuable for free in exchange for email. Every post or ad should point to your email list. You're not farming likes, you're building the pipeline. Step 5, make daily offers, affiliate or your own. Now comes the fun part, getting paid. Every day, send an email that mixes story or insight, value, a bridge to a relevant product, offer, a clear call to action, link to click. This can be your own digital product, a course, coaching, or an affiliate offer where you get a cut. Best part? You don't need inventory. You don't need hundreds of employees. You don't even need to physically ship anything. You send value, you get paid. That's it. No warehouses, no inventory issues, no drama. Every email you send becomes either an asset or a lesson. Either it makes you money or it teaches you how to write better. It's pure leverage. Step 6, repeat, refine, scale. Once you've got the system down, you can raise your prices, create new products, run higher converting ads, build automation sequences, stack offers, and segment your list for deeper targeting. Every tweak improves your ROI. And since your costs are basically just your email software and a landing page tool, almost all revenue is profit. It's digital guerrilla warfare. Fast, flexible, fluid. You'll outmaneuver the big players because you're not bloated with overhead. Why this is the ultimate beginner business. No inventory, no employees, no office, no cap on upside, no slow timelines, no waiting on permission. All you need is the courage to start, the commitment to show up daily, and the mindset to play the long game. It's just you and the audience. No middleman, no fluff. You can build this in a niche you already care about, with insights you already have, from a laptop anywhere in the world. That's not just low risk, that's freedom. Final thought, most people won't do this. They'll say it's too simple, or they'll chase trends instead, or wait for perfect conditions, or waste time creating things nobody asked for. But if you're the one who builds the list, sends the offers, and stays consistent, you win. Every email you send is a brick in your empire. No better time to start than today. If you're serious about building this model, click the link in the description to check out the basics. Templates, offers, content frameworks, and behind-the-scenes blueprints, all designed to help you get paid to be you. Tap in, own your leverage. You know what to do. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click link in description for more.